Good morning, students. Students, today we will discuss something about project work. And now, students, you know that from the side of CBSE, three topics have been given to every student, and the topics are either consumer awareness or social issues or sustainable development. You are to choose, you are to select, you are to take one topic, any one topic. These three topics are there, and you are to take any one topic. Okay. Now, second point is that you are expected to apply the social science concept, all the concepts you are to apply while preparing the project. If it is required, you may go out for collecting data, and you may use different primary and secondary resources so that you may prepare the project well. Moreover, it is also possible to use various forms of art to integrate in the project work. Now, the third point is the distribution of marks. The total marks are 10, and the distribution of marks over different aspects relating to project work is as follows. First of all, content accuracy, originality, and analysis. The second one is presentation and creativity. Marks will be allotted on these pattern. Now, next point is the project carried out by the students in different topics should be shared among themselves through interactive sessions such as exhibitions, group discussions, etc. I mean to say that whatever project you are preparing, that will be discussed and that will be shared among your fellow beings. It may be in the form of exhibitions, it may be in the form of group discussions. Next point is you are to use innovative ideas and you are to use eco-friendly products. Now, the very important point is that project should be handwritten by the students themselves. It should not be typed, it should not be printed, it should be handwritten. You may use these some prescribed books while preparing any project, either India and the contemporary world from history. You may, if you want to take some concept from history, that is which is published by NCERT, then you may take help from the contemporary India part 2 geography, which is also published by NCERT. Some help can be taken from democratic politics, from I mean to say political science, that is published by NCERT again, and fourth economic development, economics book, that is also published by NCERT. Moreover, if some more help is required, you may take the help from Together Towards a Safer India Part 3, because this is a textbook on disaster management. It is also published by CBSE. And the last point is learning outcomes at the secondary stage. It should be that is also one book. It is also published by NCERT. But there is one important thing, that you are to procure latest reprinted edition, that is 2020, of your prescribed NCERT textbooks. So according to this criteria, each and every student is to prepare one project, and all the things should be included in it. Okay, concept I have given to you, content you have with you, and you are to use your creativity, you are to use the material which is eco-friendly. Maximum data you should collect from internet also, if it is I mean to say applicable to you, and moreover use your creativity. It should be a marvelous one. So this is all from my side. Thank you.